This guy creates adorable custom 3D printed helmets for his cat. As 3D printing has grown in popularity, people have become increasingly inventive with the technology. The possibilities are endless, from 3D printed dog platters to sculptures and even food. It's also interesting to see what new ideas people come up with. One creative animal lover uses the technology to 3D print helmets for his cat, and the sturdy feline headgear is ridiculously cute. Remy Vicarini and his cat Cathode spend a great deal of time together. With their adventures ranging from skiing to long bike rides around town, it's no surprise that the caring pet parent wanted to provide his furry friend with a little extra protection. Vicarini creates custom designs with specialized software and then 3D prints the helmets to ensure they fit his cat perfectly. But he's also gotten quite inventive with the feline's headgear, and some of his creations are purely for amusement. In addition to motorcycle helmets and a custom kitty hard hat, all of which have special holes to accommodate Cathode's ears, Vicarini has created replicas of the Iron Man helmet and even Darth Vader's headpiece for his cat. This man creates 3D printed helmets for his cat. The tiny cat helmets come in a variety of shapes and sizes, and some of the designs are based on well-known character outfits.